All right, for breathable air systems, there is what we like to refer to as connected and not connected or disconnected.
Right.
And basically what that means is, are you tethered with an air hose or are you free to move about? And this one right here is a PAPR system from Bullard, where you are definitely free to move about. Brian, you want to talk to us a little bit about this?
Absolutely, Travis. Like you were saying, with a supplied air respirator, when you're tethered to a breathing air hose, anywhere from 25 feet long to 300 feet long, it kind of restricts your motion and movement and everything. If you have an application for painting or powder coating and you want to be not tethered to a breathing air hose, a PAPR, which is a powered air purifying respirator, as another option as well. This is a waist mounted unit and filters the air like through the HEPA filter right here on the front. This is a positive pressure system that connects to your respirator like this. So versus a APR, which is an air purifying respirator, or a negative pressure respirator, which is a cartridge style mask, this is a positive pressure system that actually blows filtered air into your hood through your PAPR blower right here. So a lot more comfortable for the user. It's a loose fitting hood as well, so no fit testing required, and also you don't have to be clean shaven as well. So it's a nice option to have. So it's a really, really nice unit, a lot more comfortable than wearing a negative pressure mask. 2-speed blower, 8.5 CFM when you first turn it on, and then if that's too much air, just hit the button one time like that, drop it down to 7 CFM, which is the second speed on it, and really easy on the operation to shut it down. Just hold that button down for 3 seconds like that, listen for a long beep, and then release like that.
So this is battery operated, correct?
Battery operated.
Okay.
This is our hazardous location unit right here, Travis. So it has a 1/4 turn screw on it. So pop the battery out like that. The reason that you screw this in is to make it non-incendive, so you can't accidentally cause a spark in a flammable environment.
Yes.
And this unit is rated for Class 1 Division 2. So it's a hazardous location unit.
Okay. And the last thing I want to just point out, because I think it's important, let's point out the filter on this, where it's located.
Yep, the filter's right here in the front, and that's a HEPA filter. We also offer a organic vapor acid gas HEPA combination filter, which would be more for painting applications, or this would be for powder coating applications.
Yep. And those of the done powder coating, that you have in a tethered situation with your air hose, you're dragging that air hose all over the place with you.
Absolutely, yeah.
And you're kind of bobbing and weaving through the parts, and you're spraying.
Yeah.
That hose can cause an absolute nightmare, kicking up dust, kicking up powder that's on the floor, or knocking against the rack itself. So
it can cause a trip hazard as well too,
Absolutely.
where you can get tangled up in it and everything. And another thing on the battery, like you were talking about earlier, Travis, we have a fuel gauge on it that has 4 LEDs on it right here, so you'll actually know how much time you've got remaining on your battery, runtime and everything as well, which is a nice built-in safety feature.
Perfect. Again, another way to beat the summer heat with Bullard. Call us 1-800-334-1001 or visit AirPower or Bullard on the AirPower website at airpower-usa.com.